you want to sell your art, but you're too scared to set up a store, and the fear of what if no one buys my art is there, which is very normal and common. And your favorite artists don't reply to your DMs, and you've been searching for different places to get your things printed, and which is the best shipping site to use. So if you want the answers to these questions, you should stick to the video, because I have all the stuff written here from the experience of selling my art over years, online as well as offline, and I bet this will help you a lot. So stick to the video. So the very first step that you need before start selling is to get your stuff printed. Like, what do you want to sell? Art prints, bookmarks, stickers, badges, and all these stuff. And this is like a very complex thing, because you want the best quality things, and you want to test out at least from a couple of places. And the budget should be there, and the prices should be like somewhat okay, so you can have a profit at least. And we all don't have places near us to get these stuff printed from. And a lot of people ask me, where do you get your stuff printed from? So if you want to know, you should just google printing press near me. These are the places, like production houses which make mass production, and their prices are very low. So you can just google that, and I bet there are a couple of printing presses near you, and you can just visit them or call them and talk to them about the stuff that you want to get printed and what stuff they print, and talk about all the money and issues, and get your sample printed. If you are happy with their quality and everything, you can just stick to it or search for another printing press. So those are the places you can get your stuff printed from. The next, you don't know how much stuff to get printed, and what if no one buys, or only two people buy. So the best step for that is, you should consider printing on demand. Like, when you get the order, you get your stuff printed. This is the best thing for beginners, because there's always the risk of having too much stuff printed and it just lies around and you barely get any profit. So printing on demand is the best thing. Also, if you are if you want to avoid all the printing and all the searching stuff, and you just want to, like, you have the design and you want to start selling it, because getting stuff printed and sample runs and all these things can be very overwhelming. So if you don't want to do all these steps, you also have some cool websites which will do all these steps for you. They will get your stuff printed on whatever thing you want, like t-shirts, mugs, everything. You just have to give them your design. They will get the design printed on the merch. They will ship the product to the customer for you. You just have to sit at home, provide your design, and you will get the profit sitting there. But obviously they will, like, you will only get a percent of it, not the whole amount of, because they are doing most of the work. And there are many sites like those, and my personally tested sites are Frankly Wearing, Redbubble, and Creative Market. These are the three sites which allow you to sell your stuff sitting at home. You just have to provide your design and they will sell it for you. You don't even have to ship the product. You will just bring the audience to them and they will do all the work for you, and this saves you a lot of work. So you can do that. The other step, if you want to get the whole profit and you don't want to share it with any other brand, is to have a website. Obviously you need a website to showcase your work and your products. And I know website domains can be really expensive, and if you are a beginner, you may not want to spend your money on it. So there are some sites which provide you with platforms, and you can just build up your art store there and start selling. And some of those stores are Instamojo, um, Squarespace, and Wix. Squarespace and Wix are two of the sites which allow you to build your own website, and they have the very pretty and very like a variety of website samples for you. Like you don't have to do everything on your own. They have the templates and you just have to fill in your information, and it's very easy to use. So these are the 3 sites you can check out. I personally use InstaMojo, and there also you can easily set up your store. So once your website is done, you have to bring your audience. And there are some people who don't have a proper website, and they just promote their art on Instagram and get the DMs from the customers, and they have the order. So you can do that also without a website. If you have audience on your social media and you get the orders in your DMs, or they directly message you, you just need to do the shipping, right? So here are some shipping sites for you, which are Shipigo, ExpressBee, WamaShip, VFast, ShipRocket, and ShipLite. These are 6 of the shipping sites, and all of these are very nice and commonly used ones by the artists. So the thing you want to do is check out their prices, like what they cost you for shipping a particular weighing package. Like most of these sites cost you on the basis of the weight of the package that you want to deliver and how far is the destination. These are the 2 factors that are considered during shipping. So you can just check out all these sites, and they have their shipping calculator, and you can just type in the pin code and the weight of the package, and you will know how much will it cost, and you can add that amount to the like to your products. So yeah, these are the 3 basic steps: printing, website, and the shipping. And if you do all the 3 of these, you can just start selling online or offline. Also, a quick way to start earning money is selling your digital files. I think you should use the InstaMojo site because it provides you with a very nice and easy to use platform. So you can just put your product there, the digital file, and it's very easy to use. You won't even have to ship the product or anything. You just upload it and the money comes to you. So it's very easy to use. You can make a couple of things like digital calendars, digital art prints. Literally anything can be sold digitally, so you can consider that. It's a very nice way to earn money. I really hope this video was somewhat useful for you, and I promise all these sites are like legit and you can use them. This is all from my personal experience, not a scam, and you must have heard about some of these sites, I bet. Have a good day.